Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to execute Selenium scripts in Eclipse. Start by creating a new Maven project in Eclipse and add the Selenium Java dependency to your POM. XML. Next, configure your Java build path and download the appropriate Chrome driver or GeckoDriver binary. Create a simple test class, instantiate WebDriver, and write a basic test that opens a URL and asserts page content. Begin by installing Eclipse and configuring a compatible JDK. Create a Maven project and add Selenium Java to your POM. XML so dependencies download automatically. Place Chrome driver or GeckoDriver in a known folder or use WebDriver Manager to handle drivers. Configure the project run settings and ensure the working directory points to your project root for access to driver binaries and resource files. Write tests by creating a test class and initializing WebDriver in a setup method to reuse code. Use explicit waits with WebDriver wait and expected conditions to handle dynamic elements reliably. Structure tests with clear actions and assertions, and always quit the driver in a teardown method to prevent orphan browsers. Run tests from Eclipse using JUnit or test ng-run configurations for quick feedback.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.